Wanda suke makaranta da wanda za mu sa makaranta, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. To wanda suke makaranta, Allah ya sanya albarka a karatun da kuke yi. A wanda za mu saka yau, Allah ya sanya albarka a karatun da za ku yi a gaba. To a gwamnatance dai yau mun zo muku kun ga har da baturiya muka zo muku da ita daga Pakistan don ta tabbatar za ku je makaranta kuma ku zama manyan mutane.
The State Universal Basic Education Board warned parents on ensuring their wards attended schools. For the enrollment children, the opportunity to join the League of Children on the pathway to education is appreciated.
I was not enrolled because my father did not have the means to send me back to school.
I appreciate the support to enable me continue with my secondary school, as I did not have the means to be in school.
We have walked the talk. We talked last week and today we are walking it. And this is just the local government enrollment drive. We are going to do community enrollment and we are going to do house to house. And you see, just for today we have enrolled over 100 children. And you can imagine if we continue this for the next 30 days. We have a target of 400,000. UNICEF has given us only 250. We have made our own very ambitious and we hope we are going to do that with the support of the local government chairman, with the support of the traditional rulers, the faith-based organization leaders, and then the parents of these children who are going back to school. And research has shown that some of them do not come back to school because they do not have basic learning and instructional aids. So we supported them with instructional aids and school bags. Uniforms are coming on the way for those that cannot afford it. Some can afford, it's just the political will to buy it and so on. And you see we have our development partners here. We have UNICEF, we have Northeast Development Commission, they are here and they are all partners in this back to school drive.
What has been happening on education after the insurgency that started 2009 or 10 and specifically to Yobe, to Adamawa? The thing has affected, seriously has affected the education. Education is a key. If there is no education, there is no life. Because if a child is not educated, we don't know what he is going to become in future. From our leaders, including, the leaders the leaders of Nigeria to our level, everybody went to school before getting to the level where he is.
As a local government, we will ensure that we form a committee that can be supervising to see the improvement of the registration of school children. Inshallah, we will move forward with the committee and give them the timeline and the template to ensure that the out of school children has been captured.